Okay, so today I'm fitting a spare wheel to this Civic Tourer because they didn't come with one. And I'm fitting it because of a puncture, because of a pothole. So I rode off my front tyre, which is alright. Got a new one. Eventually fit it to the rear, move the rear to the front. I'll have to do the same on the other side. Anyway, right, so I mean, I was lucky. I got home because it happened just outside the village. So I got a Honda Accord spare wheel. So this is just a space saver, and it is, you've got to have a 16. That's a 135 80 D16. Fits fine, no problems. Also came with the jack and the wheelbrace, and they fit the car no probs. So, right, so what they say is just lift up the floor and then get a Stanley knife, find the bump, cut the hole. Fucking putting a Stanley knife to like brand new carpet, forget that. It comes out really easy. You can take out, I'll probably do some video of this, there's a couple of screws in the front to hold this whole front trim panel, a couple of screws, and then 10 mils that go into these underneath the little flaps from the back of the seats. And then there are a couple of little Phillips that sit into the top. So I will show those. But then basically what you find is you find this little raised element for the spare wheel bolt, and it's got a clip in it, so I'll just take that out. I've also got the spare wheel bolt with the Accord, so now what I'll do is I'll trim a very neat hole for the spare wheel bolt. We should be good to go, so let's see. Okay, so here's the carpet back in, and yeah, you can see the imprint of that little cap on the back of the carpet, so you'll just be able to be guided by that. So anyway, let's put it back together, see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what you're going to be looking at when it's together. You've got crosshead, a crosshead. Behind this, underneath this, there are two little 10 mils holding in the hinges for that flap, and then you've got crosshead on each side of this, and then this panel here just lifts up, and yeah, and then you should be able to pull that little bit of carpet out. It's not even carpet, it's like that trim shit. So what's nice is that the Accord jack fits that foam kind of insert, and at the minute I've left the wheelbrace and the jack handle in there, but I have the insert as well for the Accord. The bloke sent me everything, so what I'll probably try and do is make that fit. We'll see. Okay, so here's where we are now. So it's all back together. It's quite easy, isn't it? And this is what you're looking at in terms of the space you get left. I think that's pretty good, to be honest. I mean, all I ever had in here was kind of shopping bags and stuff like that, so they'll all fit back in there, no problem. Yeah, I'm kind of pleased with that, and now, obviously, I'm not going to get stuck on the side of the road if I ever have the same problem again. So that's very good.